Inner peace. Birds chirping. Fireplace crackling. Crying baby. You know, honestly, crying baby sound, I think that's an S tier.
I just pissed myself.
Now I can't start with an S tier. I'd say C. Yeah, C tier. Fuck you, crying baby. All right, what's next? Honestly, plane crashing, we gotta hear this one. This one might be very good. All right, so this is takeoff, all right. So a little bit of turbulence. It's fine, we're going to Fiji. Very loud plane. I'm on the outside, I'm on the wing. Oh, that's good. That's good right there. I like that. That's very nice. Yeah. You know, Scream was a little bit redundant, you know, like after the first one, it's like, we get it, you know, you're dying. Who fucking cares? But the plane crash itself, I'd say it's a solid B. Yeah, that one's pretty good. All right, B for plane crash. Plane crash, actually. That's the German word for plane crash. All right, parents arguing. You guys like parents arguing? Is that a little, are you guys familiar with that? Say it a little close to home. I think this one doesn't make me feel good. This one makes me really sad. I'd say F tier. I don't like that one bit. All right, what's next? Nails on chalkboard. Oh hell yeah! Everyone's gonna love this in chat. Where is it? Where's nails on chalkboard? Down. Listen to this. Like music to my ears. Like music to my ears. My God. This is perfect. Ooh. Ah, damn, that one's like how do I put this? That's like the if the rest were diamonds, that's mithril right there. You guys like RuneScape? You guys like RuneScape? Let me play it one more time for you. So no, you guys are all loving this. There it is. Yeah, that one. That has to be a solid S tier. That's to be a solid S tier. I don't know what else that could be. A little bit uncentered, but that's fine. He's currently in the process of scratching. He'll get down eventually. We got loud chewing. Oh dude, this is such a good noise. You guys are gonna love this one. Oh man. I'd say I'm gonna put this to a vote to the voices in my head. Alright, they voted on D tier. I kind of agree with that. I didn't really like that much. Okay, that's fine. It's a little bit C tier. It's a teensy bit. I'll give it that. Commentary YouTuber? Ooh, you guys like commentary YouTubers? Alright, here we go.
It's finally time that I reveal my... Frost, when are you going to reveal your crush?
Frost, come on, man.
This video. Oh, well, who is it?
Fuck you, Woody.
You already know who it is by now.
You made me hungry? No, it didn't. This instrument. Huggy Wuggy!
I'm
You're fucking kidding me.
I'll be playing Minecraft with my crush. It'll be very cute. I think I know who it is. Oh, trust me.
Who is it?
Big surprise to you.
That's it. I want to know who Frost Arctic Fox crush is. I need to know. Frost, speak to me, man. Maybe if I give Frost an S tier, I'll know who it is. I'd say A tier. I'd say A tier for that one. All right, this one is a submission from my good friend Quag. My mic is really far away. I probably sounded really muffled that whole time. Ooh, that's gonna suck. That's gonna fucking suck. This one's submitted from my good friend Quag. As you know, he makes very music. He makes very music. He likes that. He likes music. This is from him. I think that's another S tier. Thank you, Quag. And I will not be subscribing to that one alpha male boot camp you want me to join. I don't think it works wonders. Maybe it works for you, it's just not my thing. You have FBI at your door. I don't remember adding this one. Oh, was that the sound? Oh, oh, my bad. Dude, that scared the living shit out of me, man. Oh my God, my heart's racing. Holy fuck. It's an F tier. Almost gave me a heart attack. God damn. All right. What's next? We have a special one. Give me a minute. Hello?
Hello.
Ugh.
Oh.
Oh god, this one's F tier. Holy shit.
I knew this was what you were doing.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, this one's like actually grating on my ears.
No. It's not supposed to be me. It's supposed to be women.
Oh god, dude, it just keeps talking, man.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? What is this?
What?
Oh man, that's a fucking. I think that's going below. That's going in the void. I don't even like that one bit.
Screw you, man. No, I'm done with this.
All right, here. This is Glorp. Fuck, I thought it was a dude. Every time he abducts me, he plays this. That got me for a second. Oh my god. I'd say solid B tier and commentary tier. I'd say B as well. You know, Glorp, you can go up to A. I love you, man. I respond to my DMs though. You still haven't given me back my cows. All right, next one is White Noise. Oh, this is art. This is art. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Oh my god, wait, that actually is like, oh god, that's so good. Oh my god, that's going down all the way down to fucking F. I'm joking. Who likes that shit? Like, I feel like I'm being attacked by bees. I don't like it. Oh, it's Jehovah's Witness. Jehovah's Witness at your door. Oh, everyone loves this, don't you guys? All right, let's listen to this. You guys can listen to this while I clean up all those documents. Can you even hear it? Is he talking? What's that, man?
Besieged it. Time Jehovah gave King Joachim of Judah into his hand, along with some of the utensils of the house of the true God. And he brought them.
Only one true God. Everyone else is wrong. These guys are right. Thanks for coming to my door, man. Hi, man. Ooh, I'm loving this. Fuck away from my front porch, dickhead, dude. Fucking guys like that piss me off. Hate guys who wear white. All right, this next one is a Minecraft player. I don't know if it hasn't come into queue yet. I don't know what's going on. Hold on, let me call them very quick. Just give me 1 second. Let me call. Hello? Dude, where the fuck are you? Like 20 minutes late. What are you talking about? Jail? What would you get jailed for, dude? 14-year-old, seriously? Fucking 14-year... Bro, that's a fucking kid. What's wrong with you? Oh my god. Fucking whatever. Whatever. Sadly, Minecraft player couldn't make it. There were some complications. There's some traffic complications, so I'm just gonna have to put I'll just give C. I'll just give C. Alright, the next one is stupid fucking dog, dude. Cute dog noises. God. Look, listen to this, dude. Oh my fucking god. Ugh. Get away from me. Beast! Get the fuck away from me! Oh my god. No. I don't like you. I hate cute things. They piss me off. I like strangle it. I feel like D is a good place for that. B is a good place for Minecraft, you know? Good guy. This is Homeless Man. Oh my fucking god. Dude, he was just jacking off by the oh my god. He was just jacking off by the trash cans. Yeah. I'd say it's a solid S tier. There we go. That's good. That's an S tier. Well, I guess that's the tier list. That was a journey. There was a lot of miscommunication, I might say. And oh, what's that? What's that little guy doing there? What's that little fella doing there? Hold on. I need to get a picture of this. He wasn't invited to this. Yeah, it's good. I need to shout out to the cops. Yeah, it's good. I need to shout out to the cops. You copied me? Yeah, that's good. I need to shout out to the cops. You fucking copied me right now? Yeah, that's good. I need to shout out to the cops. You fucking copied me right now? Yeah, that's good. Fucking blow your brains out!